So how do you run a title search in New Jersey? This is Dave at AFX Title, Certified Title Abstractors. If you're running a title search on a property in New Jersey, it's basically a four-step process. The first thing that you do is identify where the property is located in terms of what county it's in. For example, if you're in Paramus, that's going to be in Bergen County. And you'll go to the county records offices. You start with the tax assessor's records, and you'll find out who is actually paying the real estate taxes for that property. In addition to the name on that tax account, you want to find out, are the taxes paid? How much are they? Are there any increases coming in the next year or two through a special assessment or some mill rate increase? Once you have that name, then you can carry that over to the recorder of deeds or the clerk recorder. In that office, you'll be able to run a name index search and locate documents which archive different events in the history of that property: deeds, liens, mortgages, releases, assignments, any manner of real estate records of events that happened in the history of that property. That may not all apply to the title history right now, but at least you can know what happened in the past to kind of abstract those out to see what the status might be right now. The next step is to run the same type of search at the civil court office. That will determine if there's any judgments against the individual who might be the owner. And those might be a small claims lawsuit against the person. It might even be an IRS tax lien, which is really just a judgment against the person, or other types of claims against a party that might attach to that property by statute. Once you've done that process at the civil court records office, then you can go over to the probate office. The probate office will contain records of other life events like death, divorce, different types of conservancy issues. Even power of attorney sometimes is at the probate office. Once you've collected all those documents, on average it'll be maybe 30 or 40 different documents from the various different locations, then you can start abstracting those out, seeing if there's a release for a certain mortgage or if there's a release for a lien. Once you've canceled all those out, then you'll know what's still active on the property. We recommend normally figuring about 2 hours per location, so about 7 to 10 hours for an actual search. Be very careful about using electronic records or electronic data or online data. In many cases, they're obsolete, they're out of date. They may not even be the official record, so you might be missing something like a lien, which is really the whole idea of a title search, is to not miss anything. When you're done, you'll have a breakdown of what's active on the property. If a certified title abstractor prepares a search, in addition to that information, you'll also have a certified abstract document, which is like what you see appearing on the screen. That's the official document of a title search. It is not found in public records. It's something created by a title examiner and provided to the client as a private transaction. It doesn't get recorded anywhere. There's no record of it, and it's active as of the time of the search. So it's not historical, it's not out of date, it's active as of the date of the search. If you do have questions about running a title search on real estate, you can reach us at our website at titlesearch.com.